It's Christmas Eve, and here is the Becker Lift. If you remember, last time I was here, I made a community post. It was broken. I'm back. Christmas Eve. Is it working? Yes, somehow. Somehow they were able to fix it. I don't know how. It must have been a minor issue if they're able to fix it, because parts for these will be almost impossible to find. And I can confirm it's still on original logic. Wait for the doors to close. See, it starts off immediately, so it's original relay logic, I think. Well done, Poundland. I don't know how you fixed this, but you have, and you've kept it fully original. Although the door timer has been altered, so it now takes ages to shut the doors. That's about the only thing I think that's changed, other than whatever part they must have replaced. That time it shut instantly. I have not a clue why. See, beam sensors will do anything. They do. This lift is really creepy. If I haven't mentioned already, this is at Poundland in Hitchin. Oh, damn. Let's wait for the doors to close again. For one more ride. on this amazing lift.